I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the legitimate path. Start in your Google account security page and add or confirm a trusted phone number and recovery email. Once done, enable Google prompts and set up an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or a hardware key. You're doing this so codes are sent only to channels you control. This prevents interception. Make sure notifications are allowed on your device, and keep your recovery info current so you can get codes securely when needed. You might wonder why you can't route Gmail verification codes to WhatsApp. Google restricts delivery to verified channels to protect accounts. Once you try forwarding or relaying codes into third-party chat apps, you increase account takeover risk and violate safe practices. Instead, set up an authenticator app or a hardware token. These generate codes locally, and they work offline. Make sure you register backup methods in your account so you never rely on unapproved. Finish by generating and storing backup codes, and confirm your recovery email and phone number are correct. Once done, keep a copy of backup codes in an encrypted vault or printed in a safe place. If something goes wrong and you can't receive codes, use Google Account Recovery and follow the official prompts. Do not attempt to bypass verification via messaging apps. Troubleshooting tip: if codes don't arrive, check carrier blocks and device notification settings before contacting Google support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.